Hi Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. I'm so happy that you're here. In today's episode, I'll show you my first ever trade that I took on CHAINLINK, and we are right now slightly below my entry. I took this a couple of hours ago. We came back up and retested this level. I do have my take profit at 3.516. I am also in a sell position on Ethereum, and we are slightly at where we are exactly at my entry right now at 1,212. My take profit is key level 930 on Ethereum, and I will show you exactly why I took this trade. I will show you what I see on Bitcoin too. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but you already know this. But continue watching this video and I'll show you exactly why I took this trade right now on CHAINLINK and on Ethereum. Hello guys, we're looking at the trade that we took this morning on Ethereum, and we are slightly below the support right now. We are below the support, and we're also below the entry that I took today at 1,212 when it comes to Ethereum. I'm gonna show you on TradingView soon exactly why I took this trade. I'm also in a sell position on Link USDT, and we are also slightly below the entry. I took it at 6.343. My take profit is at 3.560. I do expect a big drop on this one, or I'm just gonna swing trade it, and we are slightly below the entry right now. We are retesting it again, and I also took this trade during the morning live stream that we did have, so it was around these candlesticks. And so yeah, I do have I'm in a one sell position on Link and one on Ethereum, and this is actually the first time I trade CHAINLINK, so it's gonna be excited to see. And yeah, don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybits up to $4,050 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also know by now that you can have it somewhere here in the corner. This is how you're supporting me in Bitcoinsensus, and this is the great thing because, for example, now when I'm gonna have my short positions for a little bit of a longer time, the fees is very good when it comes to that. So that is why Bybit is super good. So claim the bonus up to $4,050. So we're gonna start off. We can obviously see that we do have a heavily drop. We are in between key levels on Ethereum at 1,330 and 1,313. What I did was that I took a Fibonacci from 1,350 back down to the support at 1,100. What the market gave me was the Fibonacci levels 1,254 and 1,223. We saw the market came back up to this level, and what I also did was that I did highlight this previous resistance that you can see how many times we have so many wicks. When I saw the market, we were around this level, so it was after this huge candlestick. We saw the market came back, we saw the market drop, we came back up now and retested the entry one more time. We can go down to the 15 minutes chart and another thing. So remember now that we do have the 1 hourly Fibonacci. What we also can do is that we use the support trend line, obviously, and you could see the break of it. Another thing, we drag the Fibonacci again from 1,238 back down to 1,155, and you can see that we did break through it a little bit, but we came back up and retested the previous 50%, also the previous resistance that we did have. We did close below this previous high. So remember, we most of the time when you see the second leg being below the first leg, this is the first leg, this is the second leg, you will see usually this is what happens, at least, that you'll see the drop. Then we do have some momentum right now to the upside. We did have some news coming out during today also. This is okay, so it is 15:59 now in Sweden. So the market, we have one new hourly candle opening, so we just might see some movements to the upside. I do have my stop loss above the 61.8% because I do expect the market can definitely be a little bit volatile. We can come up, as I told you, retest the 61.8% too, and then see the continuation of the drop. As you can see, we do have one new hourly candle opening, so we can look and see we do have a pretty huge candlestick right here. But one of the things that we also can have in mind, if we go to the higher time frames, okay, we see the market going in a sideways market, and we came back down and retested the key level at 1,130. go also, this is on the daily chart. We can see how it looks on the daily. So now I'm just going to show you exactly what I see. Okay, so one thing that definitely can happen is that because we did come back down and retested 1130, and this is why we see the market giving us a little pullback right now. If the stop loss would potentially get hit on my trade, what we can do is that we drag the Fibonacci back up to 1525. I still want to have my Fibonacci at 1130. You can see that the 50% is just combined exactly with the 1330 key level. So if we would see the market now pull back up, because this can definitely happen, we can see a retest of this level and then a potential drop. This is what I look for, at least, if we would see the market break. But right now I'm still going to hold my positions. As you can see, we are right now retesting this previous resistance one more time and go. So yeah, we're looking at the 50 minutes now. On the 30 minutes chart, we do have a hanging man. So this candlestick is a bearish reversal pattern, so we can come back up and retest this level and then see the market fill this wick, and hopefully you'll see the market slowly and steady reach down to my target. But remember, we can definitely come back up and retest this level at 1227 one more time before you see the drop, because remember, we're coming with but we're retesting the level, and we closed with a inverted hammer, which I told you is a bearish reversal pattern, and against a previous resistance. You can also see that we did close below this level. This is for me a sign that we're actually going down on Ethereum right now. Comes to Chainlink, this is the first time I've ever traded Chainlink, which I think is pretty exciting, because I've been backtesting them so much during all of the live streams that I do have, and I actually like altcoins overall, because I know a lot of people say that they are pretty hard to trade, but they respect market structure and Fibonacci levels really good. Obviously, you need to know exactly how to analyze them, obviously, but I actually like it. And during this morning live stream, I saw a position, so I took it, and just it's gonna be exciting to see if this is gonna be a take profit trade or a stop loss trade. But what we can have in mind is that we came back up, we broke this previous support that we do have. This is a level between 6.58 and 6.44, and we can right now see that the market came back up and retested this level. So a previous support turns into resistance. So what we also can, what I also did was that I took a Fibonacci from $7 back down to 5.46, and on the lower time frames, I obviously sold the market around these levels during this morning live stream that we also did have. Another thing that we can do, I've already done this, and we did break above the Fibonacci that I took from 6.40 back down to $6. We're retesting the previous support and the 61.8% right now. I am in a little bit of a drawdown. No, we're slightly below the entry. We're exactly at my entry at the moment, so I do definitely expect the market to drop from here, and my take profit on Link, as I told you beginning of the video, is 3.560. Get Bitcoin on the daily. I already have some setups right here. Go to the 4-hourly chart. We are below 23,040. We came back up today. Today, a couple of hours ago, retested 23,040. Remember, this is a key level, which is really important for us to use. They are really good to use. It's really good to use key levels. I'm gonna take this Fibonacci away, and I'm gonna just show you another one. We can take Fibonacci from 23,674 back down to 20,787, and we are right now retesting the Fibonacci level one more time. We came back up and retested also a previous support that we did break, came back up, created a lower high, and a previous support becomes a resistance. If this will be valid, take profit 1 on Bitcoin will be 20,140. Take profit 2, 18,607, and take profit 3 will be 70,330. So I do expect the market to give us a bigger drop right now, because the market is obviously just pushing back down, and but I mean, we can also just come back down to 21,040. So when I'm in trades, I just move my stop loss more and more and more, so I'm always in profit or break even, so you never lose anything on your account. You can also see on Bitcoin that we do have this inverted or hanging man. The market will, so this is a bearish reversal pattern that we got inside the Fibonacci, which is really important for us to use as a confirmation to sell the market. Remember that when we choose to go into a trade, we also choose to lose money on our accounts, and this is also very important. So when we decide to trade, or when I decide to take a trade, I just leave it. Stop loss got hit, okay, move on with my life. If my take profit got hit, okay, you know what, move on with my life, take next trade. I'm not trying to get attached to it. Whatever happens, happens. I just think this looked very beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I do have my daily updates or my live streams. I will have a live stream a couple of hours after this video, so we're just gonna let the market move a little bit. I wish everyone a super great day, and we see each other in the live stream or next live stream or the next video. We see each other, okay? Have a good day. Mwah, for Sweden.